हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू सोअरिंग किड्स टीवी। किड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन लेटर एम। दिस इज अपर केस एम। अप डाउन अप डाउन। Standing line, curved line, again curved line. This is lowercase m. Okay, kids? Mama M, baby M. M is for monkey. Monkey starts with letter M. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkey means bandar. Let's write letter M. Okay, kids? Up, down, up, down. This is uppercase M. Let's write lowercase m. Standing line, curved line, again curved line. This is lowercase m. Let's practice again. Okay? Write with me. Up, down, up, down. Very good, kids. Up, down, very good. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. That's very nice, kids. Fill the color.